choose the best focus area on your Sony Alpha camera. If you own a Sony Alpha camera such as A7 II, A7 III, A7 IV, or A7 V, understanding how to select the right focus area is essential for achieving sharp, precise photos and videos. Different focus areas are designed for various shooting scenarios, and this guide will help you choose the best one for your needs. Step 1. Access the focus area menu. Turn on your Sony Alpha camera. Press the function button to open the quick menu. Navigate to the focus area option using the control wheel or joystick. Step 2. Choose the appropriate focus. Wide. Covers the entire frame and lets the camera decide the focus point. Ideal for unpredictable or moving subjects, such as wildlife or events. Zone. Focuses on a specific zone within the frame. Best for tracking a subject that stays within a defined area, like a sports player. Center. Focuses only on the center of the frame. Suitable for subjects in the middle of the composition, such as portraits. Flexible spots. Allows you to manually select a focus point. Comes in small, medium, or large sizes based on your subject's size. Ideal for static subjects requiring precise focus, such as macro or still life photography. 5. Expand flexible spots. Starts with a manually selected point that can track the subject if it moves slightly. Great for subjects with limited movements. 6. Tracking. Real-time AF. A subject continuously as it moves across the frame. Perfect for fast-moving subjects like cars, athletes, or pets. Step 3. Adjust and confirm your selection. Highlight your preferred focus area using the control wheel or joystick. Press the center button to confirm your choice. Exit the menu by pressing the FN or menu button. By following these steps, you can choose the best focus area for your Sony Alpha camera, ensuring your images and videos are sharp and well composed. Let me know if this guide was helpful or if you have further questions.